So the president of World Athletics, Lord Sebastian Coe, is making the case that although the legendary Usain Bolt was great for the sport, Lord Coe is suggesting that track and field is in a better place since Bolt left the scene. The World Athletics boss opined that while Bolt was reigning, he was the biggest star and attracted most of the focus in the sport. But since Bolt retired in 2017, the playing field is no more level and new stars are emerging across more events at both the senior and the junior levels. So the sport is better now. What do you think about that? I think it's hogwash. The very fact that Usain Bolt transcended the sport, meaning more people who never business with track and field got interested because of Bolt. Which current athlete is transcending the sport? No. But guess what? I understand what Lord Coe is doing. He's the boss of athletics. He cannot come out and say, since Bolt is gone, his sport is struggling. He has to paint a bright picture for his sport. But deep down, me think, Lord Sebastian Coe, he knows that the Bolt era was the biggest era in track and field. So Lord Coe, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted.